Hello everyone, this is Joni, and I've just fixed my planner spread so that you all could see my September entry. And when I started thinking about what I wanted to do this on, I started thinking about what we used to do all the time as a family before we moved down here. And the kids were home, and every fall we had an old Jeep, and we had a farm about 300 acres above where our house was. And we would go up to the farm every weekend, and we would take drinks and food and everything with us. And we would get in the Jeep, and we would go traveling through all those country roads. And we would just leave the top of the Jeep on the part that would keep us covered from the sun. And we would go riding through all of those roads and everything, and we would have a blast just going through the fall leaves, and they would be so beautiful and they look so pretty and everything. And Chris would usually take his bike or his three-wheeler, and that's what this represents down here. And then we would just go up there and just have a really good time. We would stay all day and then come home late in the evening when it was starting to get dark. And sometimes it was after dark, and we would see all these different animals and things like that. But it was all about family and how the family was so close and everything. And with this spread here, I had these leaves these are all from Dollar Tree. And I had those, I've had them for a good while, and I just never did use them. So I took them out and just put them over here on the side. And I drew some little lines up through there. I just sort of sketched them in. And then I put the leaves over top of them to make them three-dimensional. And then down here I put deep are the family roots. And then I put family up here with mom and dad here. And then here was just some pumpkins that I thought were really pretty that I got down there. And then this is like branches of a tree, my family, and me. And then this shows the mama with the little girl, and down here it shows the daddy with the little boy. And it says, our family tree, love, and together. And here I said, having fun, because that's exactly what we did. We just had fun. And then the only washi tape that I used on this was this right here. And I just put on there, be thankful, because I really love that washi tape. And I like the green because that gives you the earthy tones, of the leaves and trees that haven't turned. And then the other I chose with the writing on it, because if I wanted to write about something, that would be something that I would have no difficulty about writing, would be about how the family was and everything. And I just loved writing about it and everything. So that is my spread for this September. And then I got this. This is just a little clip, clothespin with a leaf on it. And I put that on there to represent September too. So I think it all goes together very nicely, and I really do love it. And I hope that you all like it as much as I do. So I'll talk with you guys later, and I'll see you on my next video, good Lord's will. And don't forget, I love you and God loves you. Bye-bye.